If you're a person who's just thinking about starting an online business, I would say
you're living in times where you're going to need your independence. You're going to need to be online and able to monetize.
You want to own your presence online. I mean, that's probably why I love the Groove site, because you get to own your website. You get to own your blog.
If you really want to be able to build a serious business where you're going to make minimum of $500,000 to $2 to $5 million a year, then those embracing the Groove upgrade will never get a bill for the rest of their life.
To have and start your own business, first and foremost, I think you need a burning desire to be more than you are.
You can't fail unless you give up.
If you have that level of commitment, I'm going to do whatever it takes, then you are in the right place to be an entrepreneur. Don't dip your toes in the water, dive in.
Take massive action and just actually do it.
The bigger risk is not to do anything at all.
Get yourself out there. Each person has an amazing, unique story. And most times it's out of your own story that you bring the most richness to the world.
And don't let anyone stop you from moving forward, and don't let anyone steal your dreams.
It's the commitment to yourself and your why you want to do this.
The biggest lesson I've learned is to listen to my heart and to do only that which I love. The second thing is, well, you better be tooled up. So somebody who wants to start on and operate their own business, and they don't want to wind up paying $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a year just to get the tools that might not even talk to each other, might want to be looking for something that's an all-in-one solution under one roof.